Hello students, now we will start question number 2 from exercise 8.1. Question is, in a computer lab there are 3 computers for every 6 students. How many computers will be needed or required for 24 students? So to solve this sum, first of all what we have to do, for example, if I can say you that I am having that 2 pens cost rupees 500. So for 7 pens, what is the cost of 7 pens? So for that, what we will do to solve this sum, first of all what we will do, we'll find the cost of each pen. So for that, how can I find the cost of each pen? Here the cost of 2 pen is given 500. So to find the cost of each pen, I will divide rupees 500 with 2. So when I will divide this rupees 500 with 2, I will get answer to 50 rupees. So this is the cost of one pen. So to purchase the one pen, it will cost me rupees 250. So now if I have to find the cost of 7 pens, so for that, for 7 pens, what I have to do, I will simply multiply this rupees 250 with 7. So if I will multiply this rupees 250 with 7, then it will rupees 1750. So this is the cost of 7 pens. So even with this method you can find the cost of 8 pen, 80 pen, or even for 8000 pens. So but for that, what you have to do, first you have to find the cost of each pen. So similarly, same in this sum, in a computer lab there are 3 computers for every 6 students. So 3 computers are there for every 6 students. So first of all, we'll find that how much computers required for one student, and after that, whatever the answer, we will multiply that with 24, because here we have to find that how many computers will be needed for 24 students. So for that, first, here we will write the given data, that number of computers are there for 6 students are how much? 3 computers, and number of computer for one student, that what we have to find. So for that, what we will do, as I show you with example, so 6 for a 6 students, 3 computers are there. So if I will divide 3 by 6, then I will get how much computers required for one student. So if I will divide this, then I will get, what is the answer? 3 2s are 6, but it is in division, so my answer will be 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 computers required for one students. Now for a 24 students, how much computer required? So for that, number of computers required for 24 students, for that, here what we will do, as I told you in the example which I have given you, here we'll multiply this with 24, because here we have to find how many computers were required for 24 students. As I shown you in this case, when I find the price of one pen, then I can find the price of number of pens, not only for 7 pens, for 10 pens, 20 pens, 10,000 pens. Easily what I have to do, I have to multiply that with rupees 250. So similarly, for one student, here 1 upon 2 computers required, and so for a 24 student, I will multiply this with 24. So 1 upon 2 into 24. So what is it? So 12 2s are 24, we all know. So here I can do 12 2s are 24. So here 12 computers, our answer will be 12 computers. So at last we can write that, therefore 12 computers are required or needed for 24 students. So here we are completing this question. If you are having any query or doubt regarding this, you may ask me in comment section. Thank you.